Oh yeah! Oh yeah! God, Samalan! God, Samalan! Why did you let this befall me? You know that I am innocent of this accusation. God, Samalan! This land shall know no peace. May the goddess of Rivalry avenge my blood on the land of Amokwe. Avenge my blood! Avenge my blood! Avenge my blood!
I should remind you to go to the stream, fetch water and fill all the jars, prepare lunch, and what again? Wash all the dirty clothes in this house.
You don't need to remind me. After all, I've been the one doing all of it since. But let me ask you, what is your work in this house? What is your duty?
How can Mama send me something in this house when you were here? Mama did not send me any around though.
Hey. So that is why all you do is eat and lazy about in this house, eh? Look at you. At your age, you cannot do anything in your life. A young girl like you. You cannot cook. You cannot wash clothes. Even your own clothes, you cannot wash it. You cannot wash dirty plates. You cannot sweep the compound. You're getting very lazy. You're getting lazy and lousy, sister. I'm telling you the truth.
Is it me you're talking to like that? Is it me? Mama will come back after Mama.
I've just told you the truth. If you like, get angry.
Mama. Mama.
Again.
Mama, since morning she's been insulting me, calling me a lazy girl.
Chile, me. Mama. Hey. Mama. What gave you right to call my daughter a lazy girl? I was only advising her as my sister. Look at this foolish girl. So you think you are more hardworking than her? Eh? Ma, all I'm saying is that it's about time Uloma starts assisting me with the housework here. After all, she's not a child anymore. Shut down your mouth. Next time you talk to my daughter in this manner, I will teach you a lesson of your life. Hey! Mama, why do you always refer to my younger sister as your daughter? Am I not your daughter too? How dare you ask me such questions?
Mama, do you know she has not finished filling those jars with water as requested for before going out?
Hey! Hey, Fomo! Nonya, is it true? I got tired. I will fill it tomorrow because it's already late. Hi! Nonya, before I close these eyes and open it, you go and fill those jars right now. Go on! Fetch the jars immediately. You must fill it before you... Come on, fetch it. Come on.
My daughter, don't worry yourself. You can carry this load.
Mama, I can carry it.
I think you are going to the stream.
I know, but I have to help you with this load. It's too much for you.
Remember, it's getting late.
Yes, but at least let me help you cross the hill with it.
Okay. Thank you very much.
I wonder what is keeping Nonye in the stream by this time. Eh?
Nine. Oh. Nonye has changed to something else.
How do you mean?
She's becoming too lazy now.
Papa, you don't know. Nonye has turned to one.
Shut up. Well, are you not supposed to be at the stream there with her? What are you doing in the house? I must go to the stream now. Oh, here she comes. Hi, my daughter. Take it easy. Welcome. Well done. Thank you. Welcome. What kept you there? What kept you at the stream? I was scared, fearing perhaps that something terrible may have happened to you.
Sorry, Papa. I didn't go to the stream on time.
That's all right.
Take the water inside.
Go inside and eat your food.
Yes, Papa.
Welcome.
Nah, you're spoiling this game.
How do you mean? I'm not spoiling her.
You're spoiling how?
She's our daughter. I'm not spoiling her.
I like her one meow.
No. She's our daughter. I'm not spoiling anybody.
Oh,
You want to show her that love.
My daughter, where are you going?
Wazico, you scared me. I didn't expect to see you here.
Now you have seen me here. Tell me where you are going.
My mother specifically told me to go to this forest and fetch firewood.
If you love your life, don't step into this forest.
Eh? Why?
It's an evil forest. No one goes into this forest and comes out alive.
What? Why then did my mother send... Did she want me to die?
You need to be very careful with her. Don't say I did not warn you. Come, let me show you where you will get firewood.
Thank you, Wazico. I'm fine.
Ikem, Nanya is the prettiest girl in this village.
Yes. I love her, even when she don't know it.
Are you serious?
Yes. Did you know that each time I close my eyes and open my eyes, the only thing that will come to my mind is her.
Then tell father about her. I know we'll help you to marry her. I know.
Do you know what? I will do that immediately when we come back from farm. And one more thing.
What?
Waka, you need to help me and talk to father.
No. Okay. I will, I promise. Meanwhile, let's go to the farm.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Let's go.
I'm sure she won't come back again.
She won't, Mama. She won't. Let me see how she will come back here to come and share father's love with me in this house.
Every time.
Naya, Naya, Naya. Naya this, Naya that. I'll not hear a word.
Hey! Oh my God. Hey, Obiakwa. Nonya? Is this you or your ghost? Mama, it's me. Why do you ask? No, I'm surprised you came back early. Hey, so how did you get the firewood? Mama, so you knew that Umekwe forest is an evil forest, yet you sent me there to fetch firewood. Do you want me to die? Me? Ha! No, I don't know anything about that. Me? Hey, but come, Nonye. I told you should not talk to anybody. How dare you disobey me? Eh? How dare you? There was one old woman that I met. She said I should never step my foot in there again. Then she showed me a nearby bush to fetch firewood. Eh? Old woman? Mama, tell me the truth. Did you not know that Umekwe forest is evil? Hey. Evil. Uloma. I don't know anything, no. I don't know anything about evil. Huh? I don't know. It's okay. When my father comes back, I'll ask him if he knows. Yes, again. What? When my father comes back, I'll ask him. Yes, sir. Ask Sonia. My husband. Hey. Nonya, if you dare mention anything to my husband, I will skin you alive. Idiots! What's wrong with you? Eh?
Did you hear that? If you say bim, we will eat you raw in this house.
Carry it! Let's go.
Thank you very much for this.
Thank you.
My son here has seen a wonderful flower in your household, and we have come to pluck this flower.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
My son, you're welcome.
Thank you, son.
You are a member of Igwe's cabinet and the custodian of our custom.
Yes.
I have two beautiful daughters in my house right now. which of them is your son seeking her hand in marriage?
Okay. My son. Papa, please. Tell us the name of your intending wife.
Papa, it's Noye.
Noye?
You're welcome. Obidia. Please, go and call Noye. Tell her to come and greet our guests.
Ha! Nai. Here. Bow. Huh? Just like that. Nai. We should at least ask her some questions. What do you say, Meniamum?
Are you countering my orders?
I think your wife is right. Maybe you should discuss with your daughter and your wife about this issue. We will come back in the next 8 market days. Yes. To know what you've discussed.
No problem.
Thank you. Well, thank you very much for this wonderful color.
Thank you.
Okay. You see what I'm saying? Yes. Now that I have seen the boundary of that disputed portion of land, it will be easy for me to deliver judgment. You're quite correct. Judgment is easy for you.
Your Highness, may you live long. May your enemies wish over you not come to pass.
Thank you, my dear. Thank you, my daughter. Okay, sir.
Your Highness,
do you know her?
not at all.
Hey, quiet that.
Your Highness, that's all.
Hey, young girl. Who are you?
My name is Noye.
Noye? From which village?
I'm from this village.
Who is your father?
Mazi Bekwe.
Ibekwe. Ibekwe, Mazi Ibekwe. Okay, all right. Please, send my regards to him. All right.
Yes, my carry.
Mazi Ibekwe. Yeah, Mazi Ibekwe. That's such a grown-up girl. Oh no, Igwe. I swear by the gods. Oh. You may leave now. Oh no. Igwe, I swear by the gods, I have never felt like this about any woman since my wife passed and joined our ancestors.
Your Highness, you are sure you really like that lady, Noye?
I want to take her for a wife. Honestly, my spirit has accepted her. Totally.
Your Highness, it is only lawful for you to make your choice or choices of wife from the Umuabogo festival coming up very soon.
Do you think I don't know? I know. But I want you to keep an eye on her. And you must also go to the parents and tell them that I, the Igwe, has eye on their daughter. So they don't make the mistake of marrying her off to another man.
Igwe, your wish is my command.
Good.
Igwe.
Nai, what is it you want to tell me?
You see, when we are coming back from the elders' meeting this afternoon, you know, told me something about our daughter, Noye.
What did he say? Hey, Nai, I hope Noye did not commit any serious offense.
No, he has not committed any offense at all. Rather, it is a piece of good news.
Good news.
Yes.
What is it all about?
Do you know who told me, Chiokezie, told me in confidence that the Igwe is interested in marrying our daughter, Nonye.
What? Because what good news? Hey! Hey!
That's it. Nonye, my daughter, after discussing with your mother, we've agreed to tell you this.
Papa, I'm scared. Is everything all right?
Everything is all right. Don't be scared. We've decided to inform you that the Igwe wants to marry you.
Hmm?
Yes.
Papa, are you serious?
Of course, yes. So we want to tell you now that you should comport yourself and know that you are the desire of many young men in this kingdom. Try and comport yourself wherever you may be, especially in the public.
Yes, Papa. I promise I will not let this family down. And I'll make you proud, Papa.
Very good. I know that God will bless me through you.
Mama, please, I'll need your support.
There's no problem. You have my support, eh? You have my support.
Thank you. I'm happy.
My daughter, God will bless you in that marriage. You will have many children according to your desire. And you will live very happily with the man. Nobody will disturb you. Say amen.
Amen, Papa.
Come on. Okay. First of all, marry me. Let's see how it will happen in this house.
Why are you angry? Aren't you happy with your sister?
Mama, how do you want me to be happy? How do you want me to be happy when everybody is pleased with Noye and nobody is happy or saying anything good about me?
Hey, how can you say a thing like that?
I don't blame her. I don't blame her. Because she is not the preferred daughter. Because the Igwe wants to marry her.
Hey, Igwe chooses her. He chooses Noye.
Igwe chooses her. Oh, because you want it to. I want to pick the one that Igwe will marry and not Noye.
Ha! Uloma, you know you are my preferred daughter. You know it.
If I'm your preferred daughter, Mama, you have to do something. I want to pick the one Igwe will marry, Mama, not Noye.
My dear. Uloma, you know you are the prettiest girl in this village. Hey, oh my little mommy. Why are you behaving like this now? You know I love you so much.
Mama, you have to do something.
It's okay. I will do something. Okay? I will do something. Don't worry.
Ichie Ibekwe.
My brother, welcome.
We have come to know the outcome of your discussion with your daughter, Nonye, over my son's marriage proposals.
Ichie Okon, welcome once more.
Thank you.
There is nothing to discuss again.
Eh? How do you mean?
A higher individual made marriage proposal to Nonye and she accepted.
Eh?
So I am sorry. But my advice is you should look for another girl for your son, Ikem.
Who is this higher individual, if I may ask?
My son is not the kind of person you may know.
Ikem! Papa, let's go!
Don't take it like that now. Don't be angry. Our hands are tight.
I am angry already. It's not fair. It's not fair. Let's go. It's not fair. I made my intention. You are never told me this. It's not fair. It's not fair.
Our hands are tight.
You get another woman.
Huh?
You get another.
What are we to do?
There is nothing where I can go and marry another woman for him. Yes, you should go and look for another girl. Igwe has taken our Nonya. And he's a better husband and son-in-law.
Okay.
Yes.
So you are here, playing and tangling with this boy, and I've been looking for you all over the village.
What? What is it? Why are you looking for me? Eh?
You're a young woman, oh. And you're not supposed to be seen at this type of corner of the village with a village boy. If people see you now, what will they say? Eh? Eh? Uloma.
No, yeah. See, I am tired. I am tired of this your advice. Do you understand? Leave me, oh. Just leave me alone.
Uloma. Oh, come on, Abiaka, shameless he goat. Look at you, because you have tried where I am and you failed. You think you can sustain my sister? You have failed. Do you hear me? You have failed. Idiot.
You want to?
You want to? How about what idiot?
Look at this girl, oh. Because she's finer than you, that's why you are jealous. Nah, this girl may be a lemon.
Warn her. The next time she disgraces me like this in this village, I swear, I will make life miserable for her. Then what happened? See me, oh. I was outside discussing with the young man that intends to come and ask my hand in marriage. No, yeah, from nowhere. Go and embarrass me. Hey! Check him out. Where's that?
What is it? Why do you have to do that? Do what?
Say it! Say it!
Mama, I can explain. Explain what, idiot? I am not interested in your stupid explanation. I am not. So, your mission in this house is to marry before my daughter, eh? And you have failed. Stupid girl.
Yeah, my daughter, what is it you want to discuss with me? Oh, come on, my daughter, don't cry. Go ahead to the point, eh? It's all right. I don't like to see you shedding tears, eh? It's okay, my daughter.
Papa?
Yes, my daughter.
It's about Mama and Uloma's attitude towards me. It's quite harsh, and I don't understand it.
Right, it's all right, my daughter. Don't cry, don't cry. I can understand you now. You see, I will talk to your mom, dad, and Uloma. I'll talk to them about it. And I make sure that they stop it.
Papa, is that a promise?
I have never made any promise to you without fulfilling it. I will make sure I stop it. It's a promise. Just wipe your tears. Don't cry again, my daughter. It's okay. It's all right. Chill. You are my daughter. My daughter is chill. Don't cry, eh? I cannot find the money I made from my hunt sales. So, who among you has the money?
Nai, who else would take your money if not Nonya? Nonya never. Me? I did not see any money. Oh.
No, you did not see. It is me.
Nonya. You are the only thief in this house. You better bring out that money. Bring it out too.
Will you people stop this nonsense? Eh? Both of you should stop this nonsense. Nonye, my daughter, is not a thief. I am sure of this. Yes.
So this is what you're saying, eh?
Yes, that's
man, then you are not prepared to find your money now. Leave it. Happy Anon. Huh? Nonsense. I bet let's go then.
Let's go, sir.
You are no longer afraid of me.
Nanya, my daughter is not a thief. No, it's me and my daughter. Go away.
Because I have stopped beating you.
I forgot something. Inspiration. People of Umogwe, the greatest people of Umogwe, listen, this is to inform you that a famous Uloma festival we see on that farm market place, my farm market days. All the young girls in this kingdom, I expect them to come at their very best. The Igwe wants to choose his wife through the festival, and he promises that's going to be thrill and entertaining. Come on, come on. All the mother, prepare your daughter. All the father, prepare your daughter. The greatest people of Amokwe, this is to inform you that a famous Owotumabo festival will still hold in just 5 market days at the palace. All the young girls in this kingdom are expected to come at their very best. The Igwe wants to choose his wife through this festival. All the mother, prepare your daughter. Father, prepare your daughter. It promises that's going to be thrilling and entertaining. Come on, come on, come on. It's going to be greatness. It's going to be fantastic. Come. At this pressure, people have sent me. It's run off. The greatest people of Amokwe. This is to inform you. All the people of Amokwe. The greatest people of Amokwe. Listen. This is to inform you that the famous Owotumabo festival will still hold in those 5 market days at Igwe's palace. All the young girls is expected to come with their very best. The Igwe wants to choose his wife through this festival. Father, prepare your daughter very well. Mother, prepare your daughter very well. And he promised that's going to be thrilling and entertaining. Come on, Come on, it's going to be greatest. Fine, entertaining, eh? Oh, but no.
Naya, that's why you're dancing. Your clothes is fine, no? I bought it for you.
I know. It's very, very fine.
I bought it for you.
Didn't you hear the town crier's announcement yesterday? This is the clothes I want to wear for the Wazico Mabogo festival. Hey. I'm testing it. It's fine.
It's fine, no? Right.
Mama. No, yeah. Ma? So you have started now to prepare for the festival that will hold in 4 market days. Now tell me, who bought this cloth for you?
Mama, it's Papa. Oh. It's Papa that bought it for her. He thinks I did not know. That's why you see her bragging. Igwe's bride indeed.
Hey, no, yeah. So you have bewitched my husband. He now buys you clothes. Eh? He now buys you clothes. Eh? Ha! Give me that clothes. I must burn this clothes. Oh yeah? Now get me matches and fries. If you near me, I will break your neck. Shut up! Where are you?
Mama, funny. Mama, please. Found it, Mama.
Mama, please help me. Mama, please help me. Mama. What I won't do is to sit here, fold my arms, watch Nonya take what rightly belongs to my daughter. Nobody's seeing my daughter Uloma. I must do something about this before it gets late. Yes, I know what to do.
What are you doing there?
Shut up!
The money my father was looking for, I stole it. Mama, why do you have to do that now?
Don't implicate Nonya now.
Haba, Mama. I know I don't like Nonya because she's always outshining in everything. But you don't have to implicate her now. She's my sister.
Uloma, I'm just doing all these things because of you. After all, Nonya is not your real sister.
What? How do you mean?
I'll explain later.
Mama, please, let's go.
What is the meaning of that? Give me my meat.
Which meat? You don't eat meat again in this house.
Oh. Mama, tell Uloma to give me my meat, oh. And what is wrong with that? Huh? What is wrong? Mama, you don't see anything wrong in it. She took my meat. She's my younger sister. Tell her to give me my meat.
See this one. Who's your younger sister? I'm not your family. Go and look for your family. That is if you have one.
What's that supposed to mean?
It means you don't have a family. Go and look for your parents.
Mama, is it true? Eat that, Mama. Eat, yeah? Eat it.
Daughter, why are you crying outside by this time of the night?
Papa,
my daughter,
I want you to look into my eyes and tell me the truth.
My daughter, what is the matter?
Papa,
don't cry.
Is it true? Is it true that you and Mama are not my biological parents?
Oh, Eddie.
Tell me the truth.
Oh, my God. What prompted this question?
It is what Uloma said today. And Mama supported her.
My daughter, let us go inside and discuss this matter. We'll go inside and I will discuss the matter in details with you and tell you everything you want to know. Let's go inside. Let's move in. Don't cry. Wipe your tears. But we agreed that these children will not be let into the secret.
Now, for your information, I don't have children. I have a child, and that is Uloma.
But why are you being so senseless and wicked over such a simple matter?
Hey! So because of that thing I picked from the back of the river, now Now you are referring your wife, your own wife, Ibekwe, as a senseless and wicked woman. Hey! She must leave this house.
She will not go.
Nonya will leave this house.
She will not leave. Instead, you will leave.
Hey! People of Igwe, come and hear what my husband is omitting from his mouth. That he will throw me and my child out of the house because of nobody. Hey! People of Igwe! People of Igwe, come and hear. What is this?
Sit down and don't get up again.
No.
Don't get up.
No! Why would I do so? Papa, what is this now? My child, Uloma. What happened? Senor! Your father raised his hands on me just because...
Sit down here. Don't touch her.
She must leave.
She cannot go. She will not go.
She will leave.
You are talking nonsense. She will not go. Don't try it again. She will not go.
Papa, it's okay. It's alright, I will leave. And you've tried for me, and I don't want to be the one that will tear you and your family apart. I know it won't be easy for me, but the gods will see me through. Please tell me.
Where was it you said I was picked from? I want to go there and see if anything will lead me to my true parents.
Ngene River Bank. That's the place. Ngene River. The bank of Ngene River.
Thank you, Papa.
Go! Let her go! Shameless man. She should leave my house.
Yes.
Let her leave my house. Show.
I may even order that you be thrown out.
Oh!
I may even order you to...
No fidua. He can't do it.
Papa, you can't do it.
Let her go.
Leave Mama. Leave Mama. Leave her.
Where is she?
No.
Gods of our land! Is this the end of the world for me? Is this the end? Papa!
And look at them. Look at them.
Go! Shameless man! So I will deal with you in this house. I will show you. Nonsense.
Hello. His Highness sent me to find out your daughter's mind concerning his proposals to her.
Oh no, you're welcome. But I think my wife will be in a better position to answer you that question. Let me call her.
Okay.
Obi dear. Yeah.
Hey.
Igwe has sent to know to come and find out our decision concerning his proposal to our daughter, Nonye.
Now you know, we actually confronted her on her opinion. She promised telling us about the proposal after thinking about it yesterday. But since yesterday, she went into exile.
Nonye?
Yes.
Nonye went into exile?
Yes, so.
Because of the Igwe's intention to marry her. Hey! I don't believe this. No.
No, no. You better believe it too. Ha! That girl. She do behave strangely sometimes. Ha! From all indications, she's not interested in marrying the Igwe. She wants to marry one hungry pan wine taba from the next village.
Ha! Thank you. Ichie, I'm going. The Igwe will be highly disappointed. I'm going.
Now you know. Why are you going now? Wait. Uloma. Ugo bomo. Anyango toto bia. Bia.
Mama. Good afternoon.
Hey. Oh no. Just look at my daughter. Pretty. What do you think? Just look at her. Anyango toto. Oh, Male Cham. Oh no, I think she will make a good wife to the Igwe.
Good wife indeed. Ichie, I'm leaving.
Oh no. Mama, please leave me. Sweetheart, you are beautiful. I know. Akwam, Otomo. David, hey, what do you do? Anyway. My daughter, have they thrown you out of their house?
White one, it's you.
Are you surprised?
How did you know they asked me to leave?
I know everything I wish to know.
I had to leave because they are not my biological parents. I wish that one day I would see my true parents.
Don't get yourself worked up thinking about your parents. You can never know what the future have for you.
What does the future have for me in this bush?
Don't bother about me. Just take me as your friend.
A friend?
Yes. I will teach you a song that you will sing whenever you remember anything that will make you unhappy.
I love songs. Teach me.
Follow me. I will teach you. Hey, man. I want to see my daughter. Can you see?
That's something. It's a big surprise.
Hey! No, man. Food is ready. Hey!
Thank you.
Nemo. Hey, but Nemo.
Mama.
Hello.
Papa, what is it now? Now you're getting.
Do you want to kill us? How can you prepare this pepperish and salty something and you call it soup?
Hey, Mama, is it that bad?
It is bad. Hey! Uloma. Simple soup. So you can't prepare simple soup? You can't prepare simple soup. Ofe. No, tell me. You can't prepare simple soup. You can't prepare simple soup.
Don't touch me again, no. It's not in that custody. You don't want me to do anything in this house.
You see it? This is the evidence of your handwork upon her. You see, you made her a spoiled child. Both of you conspired and threw Nonyem out of this house. This is the result of your action. You never realized that this will be the consequences of your action. Yes. Today you are reaping that thing. You will remove this poison from this very place. Nonsense.
Don't touch me again in this house. If you ever try it there.
Am I dreaming?
My daughter, what are you doing here?
Iceman, I've been longing to see you.
Really?
Yes. I don't understand the kind of life I'm living. I am just existing. I don't know who I am.
The earth is so large that you can survive in anywhere you see yourself. Just utilize the opportunity in anywhere they come. Now that you live in the bush, follow me. I will teach you the importance of herbs and roots.
I don't understand. Wiseman, are you a native doctor?
Follow me and learn. I know someday you will cherish the knowledge.
You still haven't answered my question. Wiseman.
Follow me.
My question.
Come. I will teach you the importance of herbs and leaves. Follow me. Follow me and learn. I know someday you will cherish this.
Of course, and I saw him doing all the dancing. Well, let me use the opportunity to thank all of you for the various roles you play in making sure I marry Uloma and Ifoma the same day.
Igwe.
It gladdens my heart. Yes.
My wife and I were elated to find out that you were able to find something good in our family.
Oh, it's such a beauty.
Igwe, I am convinced that Ifoma, my daughter, will make a wonderful wife to you.
You're quite correct. Yes. Quite precious, isn't she? Oh, then let me announce to you all then that from now, henceforth, everything about them changes. Because now they have access to reality. From now henceforth, Uloma becomes Odioko number. And Ifoma is now Lolo Ifi.
Can you imagine?
Now, more maids will be attached to them to see to every single need they might have. I have spoken. Well,
Remember everything I taught you. If you can apply them accordingly, they would help you.
Okay, wise one. I will do all as you have directed.
Good. Let me leave you to catch some sleep, because the night is fast spent.
Thank you, wise one.
Remember to be careful on whatever you do. That is the law of nature.
Thank you, wise one.
We have to observe him for some days to see the effect of the medication I gave him.
Uncle Tunde, please. Please. You have to do everything possible you can to see that Igwe is back on his feet. Please.
What would we even call this kind of strange sickness?
Igwe is suffering from a spiritual problem. I shall be back in 4 market days.
You need to go to Igwe's palace and see the Igwe.
Me? Go to the palace? What business do I have in the palace?
Igwe is seriously sick with deadly ailments. He's a kind man and should not be allowed to die.
Oh, wise one. The land of Amokwe have a renowned chief priest. Let him do his work. I don't think I want to return to a land where they all rejected me.
There is a reason for that, my daughter. Now, nobody will recognize you.
I will go to the palace because you asked me to.
Only be careful. You must go and come back as soon as you finished.
I won't waste time.
Remember to go with those medication I showed you. I will see you when you come back.
Igwe's condition is critical. I've done everything I should do, but his health condition still looks very hopeless.
I got to remember, you are the chief priest and the greatest Dibia in Amokwe. Should we allow him to die?
I'm afraid there is nothing we will do to save his life.
Igwe shall not die. I can save his life.
Who are you?
Witch?
It doesn't matter. I am sent to heal the king.
Who sent you?
Which is more important? Who sent me? Or that His Highness will get his healing?
Please, please, wait for us, please. Wait for us, please.
It is done. The gods have done it already. You'll be fine. I shall be back in 4 market days.
Thank you.
Get back! Get back!
Let's give you some money.
I did not come for your money or any gift from you. Get back! Get back! Get back! Get back! Get back! To see how you're faring, Your Highness. And from what I see, you are stronger by the day.
Oh, yes. Yes, I'm back on my feet. And I'm getting stronger by the day. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, and I found out that you refused any payment for the services you render. Please, just name your price. And I will tell my Prime Minister to make sure you get whatever you want.
I don't want anything from you, Your Highness.
Well, at least you could tell me your name. Who are you?
That is not important. Just know that the gods sent you a helper to heal you. I shall be leaving now.
The gods said I'm a helper to help me. Now, what sort of human is this?
Your Highness.
Have you found out where the people who terrorize and people come from?
Yes, Your Highness. They are from a Fitan community. I heard their king, Igwe is dead. And they need about 7 human heads to lay him to rest.
Everything. Is that where they terrorize my people? To lay their hero to rest, eh? Everything. You have touched the tiger by the tail. And I will tell you that I am alive. Now come here now, immediately.
Yes, Your Highness.
Begin your guards.
Now, go and get Uloma for the king.
How about our Igwe? The news is all over town. A certain medicine woman came and healed our Igwe. After all the medicine men have tried, even our Tulumbe failed.
Really?
Yeah, so... But, Nonye, I don't still understand why you choose to stay here in the bush. Why?
My dear, it's a long story.
You can come to my house and stay now.
No, please. Don't worry about me.
Are you sure?
One day, I shall tell you my story.
Your story?
Oh no! Igwe, the Igwe here told me. He said from his investigation, those headhunters who have been terrorizing my people, they're from Africa. They want trouble. Oh no, I will give them war. Heads must roll.
Igwe, calm down. I am not doubting Dikogo's report. But you should tread with caution.
Okay, caution? Did I hear you say caution? And let them insult me? Not working.
We should send emissaries to Africa, telling them to stop sending headhunters to Amokwe.
Wouldn't they see our action as an act of cowardice?
Oh no, you will put together some men, strong men from this land that will go to Africa. And you bring them to me here in my palace, immediately.
Yes, Your Highness.
Go now! My wives, Doko and Lola. You will not know how much joy it gives me when I see you around me like this.
Your Highness, are you flattering us or what?
No, far from it. I'm not flattering you. I saw the beauty you both possess. I decided to marry you from that festival.
Your Highness, let's not do this here now. Let's go inside.
Ah, but if you go inside, you know I have to be very gentle with you. Because of the conditions, eh?
Let's go inside.
Igwe. Your Highness.
Nico, why do you walk as though you have been beaten?
Your Highness, we got to Afitem and delivered your message to them.
Yes.
They rather called their chief warriors to beat us up and send us back with this message. Tell your Igwe that for challenging our actions on Amokwe, you should choose between a wrestling battle or war.
Ah! Is that what they said?
Yes, Your Highness. Yes, Your Highness.
And what else?
They also said that whoever loses will become a slave to the winner. They've given us 3 days to make our decision, or they will choose for us.
Afitem. The loser becomes the subject. Is that what they said?
Exactly.
Afitem. You have caught the tiger by the tail. I will drag through Afitem like an angry flood. Take your leave.
Thank you.
Go to your chambers. Gentlemen of this Igwe! Appetite people, they have pushed us to the wall. And I'm about to bite. And because I refuse to be a coward, they have now decided to challenge my integrity. Now let me ask you this, young men of this land. Are there no strong ones amongst you that can stand up and defend this nation? Can't you stand up and defend our land?
Your Highness, we greet you, our elders. We are ready to shed our blood in defending this kingdom.
Yes! You will all live long.
What do we do to Afitan people?
Good. Now they have challenged us to war by way of wrestling bouts. Whosoever wins the bout will take the loser into slavery. Now you tell me, young men, which of these options will you choose?
Your Highness, we greet you. Over our dead body should we be subjected to slavery?
Never.
We will fight them back. They should come with the best of their wrestlers.
Yes.
The needed battle, we will give them war.
Yes.
You will all live long.
Igwe.
You will all live long.
Igwe.
Young men of Amokwe.
Hey.
Young men of Amokwe.
Yeah.
Are we going to allow them to disgrace us?
Never.
Good. Now the Igwe has a package for whoever that wins this bout and bring the glory of Amokwe back.
What is the package? I have decided to share my kingdom into 3 equal parts. 3 equal parts.
Yeah.
And whosoever brings back this glory to Amokwe, we own 1 portion of my kingdom.
Igwe.
I have spoken.
Igwe. I drew a fella.
Nonye. Hey, how are you?
I'm fine. Welcome.
I brought you these crops and foodstuffs because my farm youth was wonderful.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, my sister.
I'm so happy you like them.
I do. Thank you. Hey, and it's a lot, oh.
So happy you like them.
Uloma, thank God you're here. What is this I hear you people discuss? Our people fighting with the neighboring village, Afitem.
Yes, so my sister, Afitem has challenged Amokwe for a wrestling battle. And the losers will automatically become slaves to the winners. That's what I heard, my sister.
So, people of Amokwe, did they even have strong warriors and wrestlers to fight for them?
Me, I don't know. The chief guard, Dikogo, will be the only person that can answer that question correctly. I don't know. Man, I have to start going now. It's getting dark, you know.
My sister. How is your husband? I hope he has fully recovered.
Yes, he's fine now. He can do everything now.
Give him my regards.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Hey, it's a good man. Good news for you, Your Highness.
Good news. What is it this time?
Your Highness, Odiko, your wife, just delivered a bouncing baby girl. I rushed to come and break the good news to you, Your Highness.
Ah, that's good news indeed.
Yes, Your Highness.
Lolo delivered a baby girl. Nice Odiko. It is indeed good news. You may take your leave now.
Yes, Your Highness.
Gods of my ancestors have smiled down on me. This calls for celebration.
Congratulations, man.
Yes, it's celebration time.
Yes, pick up.
Today is the happiest day in my life and in this land. Young lady, you have done for us what no one else has been able to do in this kingdom. We will appreciate you. Actually, before the wrestling bout, I made a promise. I promised that
whoever wins in the competition gets 1/3 of your wealth.
Yes. Yes, you're right.
I don't think I need that wealth.
Why not?
If I have such wealth in my possession, how do I control it from the bush? I live in the bush.
In the bush? Why?
I was rejected by the very people I called my own. I have no parents, I have no home, I have no relations. I always come to assist this community because of the love I have for them. I still see Amokwe as my home because this is where I grew up. Your Highness, thank you for granting me audience. I should be on my way before it gets dark.
No, young lady. We cannot allow you to live like that. No. We must show you appreciation. Please tell us, what is your name?
Noye. My name is Noye.
Noye. Well, Noye. Sorry about your ugly experience. But do come back to this palace so that we can iron out all these issues. Maybe you can find something to do about it.
I will, Your Highness. But for today, I celebrate with the people of Amokwe on our victory. I did it for love and not for the prize at stake. Farewell.
Wise one, I'm confused. I don't know what to do.
My daughter, don't be confused. Tell me what your heart is telling you.
My heart is telling me that my people need me. I think I should go back to them.
You want to go back to the same people that rejected you? I helped you when everyone cast you out and you don't know where to go.
I know, wise one, but I can't continue to live in this bushy hut alone. I am not a spirit like you. I need people around I can call mine. Honestly, I wish I can have a family of my own. And the Igwe has made me an offer to come around whenever I want. I haven't given him my response yet, but I want to.
Nonya, my daughter, I know how you feel. I want you to be happy. And I can see that your mind is made up. Be careful with people around you.
I will. Thank you for everything you've taught me about how to survive and take care of myself. I know I'll be fine.
This is my party gift to you. Wear it always. Use it to remember me.
Thank you, wise one. I will forever remember you. Thank you.
Your Highness, since I became your Uno, have I ever given you a misleading advice?
No, never.
What do you want to tell her?
Honestly, I couldn't sleep last night. Because last night all my thoughts were on her. I thought about her all night long.
Meaning?
Meaning, when a man cannot sleep like that and kept thinking about a woman, every part of my body was about her. When I breathe about her. All I did was about this lady. I tell you. So it means there's something, but
then propose to her.
Thank you, no. Thank you, Igwe. That's exactly what I would do. I'll propose to her.
Thank you, Your Highness. I should be leaving.
Go well or no. Welcome to my palace, young lady. What may I offer you?
Nothing, Your Highness.
Nothing. Well, I invite you here for something very serious.
Speak, Your Highness.
Very well. I believe the only way that I can show you how much I appreciate you is to make you a part of me. Is to make you my wife. Please, do not refuse my proposal.
Your Highness, I am elated by your requests. But you already have 2 wives. Why then do you wish to add me to that number?
Well, you're quite right. I already have Wazico and Lolo. But it is no news that all they are able to bear me are female children. Something in my heart tells me that if I make you my wife, you will bear me a son that will sit on this throne when I join my ancestors. Please, consider my proposal.
That is for the gods to decide.
Does that mean you've accepted my proposal? My people, I know you'll be wondering why I called you into this meeting here. I called you here today because today is a remarkable day in my life.
Yeah.
Very remarkable in the sense that I am introducing to you this young lady here. Nonya here is the one who saved our girls from the headhunters of Africa. Nonya has saved me, has healed me from a strange ailment. Yes. And she has single-handedly saved this land from being taken into slavery by single-handedly defeating the head wrestler from Africa. Now, Nonya has refused to take any material gain, any material payment for all these things she has done. I want you to please help and say thank you to Nonya.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Your Highness, we must find a remarkable way of showing appreciation to this lady for the wonderful thing she has done for this community.
The good news is she has agreed to be part of us.
Your Highness, please explain to them in a language they will understand.
Well, I proposed to her and she accepted my proposal and agreed to be my wife. In 4 market days, we shall all gather here again and discuss how we'll go and pay a bride price.
That would be wonderful.
Now, till then, Lolo, I hand over Nonya to you. You shall take her to her chambers and make sure everything she needs get to her.
It shall be done, Your Highness.
Very well, very well.
Okay, shall be done. That's all right.
How do you go?
Come in.
Beautiful woman. A beautiful woman like you needs to be adored by beautiful things. And that is why I bought these beautiful things for you. Do you like them?
Yes, I do. They're beautiful. Thank you for the compliments, Uloma.
How do you know that name?
That's your name.
How do you know I go by that name?
It's me. Nonye. Nonye, your elder sister.
Nonye.
See how fate brought us together again as Igwe's wives? Isn't that wonderful?
Nonye, please. Nonye, please, I'm sorry. Please. In any way that I wronged you, please.
It's okay.
Come on. Get up.
I forgave you before you apologized.
Come here.
Oh no. Are you joking about what you have just told me or what?
How can I joke, Mama? That same Nonye whom you know is in this palace as the Igwe's third wife. And because of her enormous achievement in this community, Igwe holds her in high esteem.
It won't happen.
It has already happened though. It has already happened. There's nothing anybody can do about it. You just have to let the sleeping dog lie.
Uloma, hear yourself speak.
Mama, what do you want me to say now? What do you want me to say? Maybe that's how fate wants to bring the both of us together. Don't know.
Will you shut down your mouth or I shut it for you? What fate are you talking about? Huh? Uloma, look, before you realize it, it will be too late. And don't run to me and start complaining. Don't!
But Mama...
But what? But what? What are you butting me? But what? You know how Nonye used to be lucky. Look, my dear, before you know it, she will snatch the mind of the Igwe by giving him the first male child. And you know what? She will turn all of you to her slaves.
What am I going to do now?
Do what you must do to safeguard your family from that intruder. My dear, that is my humble advice. If you like, you fold your arms and watch what we have labored for to be destroyed. Ha! Oh!
Lolo, you don't know Nonye more than I do. That girl, she can like to utilize any opportunity given to her. I know how.
I understand what you're saying. Can't you see the way she got Igwe to marry her?
Oh, now I'm happy. You're beginning to understand what I'm saying. Yes.
You see, I understand everything you're saying. I don't want anybody to take my relevance and place in this palace. So what are you suggesting we do now? How is that possible? I mean, won't they find out?
All I need is your consent. Just leave everything. Leave everything to me.
Okay. You have my support.
Lolo, this is a secret between us. Nobody, Lolo, nobody must hear about this.
We are in this together. In fact, whoever reveals the secret, may the gods of this land strike the persons there.
Easy. see.
Hello. Igwe. Igwe.
Welcome. Oh, Dikago.
Your Highness.
Go to the outer chambers and bring my staff of office.
Okay, Your Highness.
Go. Oh, sit down, gentlemen. Thank you. Sit down. Gentlemen, this issue between Nzekwe's widow and her brother-in-law has become very critical for us to look into it. Now, I promised them that I will give my verdict today, but I want us to deliberate on this issue before I give my verdict.
Your Highness, that's not a bad idea.
What do you think?
Very nice idea.
Hello? What? Abomination.
What is wrong?
My staff of office. It's neither here nor in the other chambers. Because
Your Highness,
you run now and shut down the borders. Everyone must be searched before they leave. Make sure you find my staff of office. Find it.
Okay, Your Highness.
Go now.
That is serious.
Your Highness, please calm down. Calm down.
Carlo. Your Highness.
You'll find it. Did you find it?
Your Highness, we searched the entire village but could not find it. I doubt if it's still in this village.
Now where will it be? Where?
Your Highness, I don't know.
Without my staff of office, I'm finished.
Your Highness, they've searched everywhere in this village, excluding this palace.
What are you insinuating? That it might still be in my palace?
I don't know. But that would be nice to fulfill all righteousness.
Your Highness, I think there is sense in what Odokon said.
But we have quizzed every staff of this palace. No one claimed to have seen it. Very well. Digo, carry out another search, a thorough search of this palace, and get back with me. Go now, go.
Your Highness, the staff of office.
Where did you find it?
Your Highness, we found it in Nonye's chamber.
Your Highness!
Nonye, what are you doing with my staff of office?
Your Highness, I don't know how he got into my chambers. No. Something is wrong, no.
Nonye, am I to think you came to this palace purposely to steal my staff of office?
No, Your Highness.
So why my staff of office? You could have taken something else, money, jewelry. There's plenty there. Why is something this important to my community?
Your Highness, I swear I am innocent of this accusation. Uloma, please tell him you know me so well. I am not a thief. I have never stolen all my life. Please tell him, Your Highness.
No, by gods, how am I supposed to know that you are a wolf in sheep clothing?
No, I'm not, Your Highness.
You have disappointed me.
Your Highness, I can swear, please, I can swear.
I'm heartbroken. And there's no amount of swearing, because there's nothing you could do that can change the laws of land for those who commit such crime. It is clear. The laws of this land says whosoever commits such a crime shall be buried alive in the forest.
Your Highness,
Highness, I swear by the gods of our land, I didn't steal it. I'm innocent.
Oh, yeah. Take her away and do according to the laws of this land.
Your Highness, please, I am innocent. Please, I beg you. Uloma, please, I beg, don't see him. Please, Your Highness, don't forget all I've done for you and the community.
There is no amount of anything you will have done for this community that warrants you to steal him as type of office.
Your Highness, please, I beg you. No. Your Highness, please. Uloma, please, Your Highness.
Elders, please tell the chief priest to come and cleanse my palace of this abomination. It's a very sad day in my life.
Just keep your own part of the agreement. Keep sleeping with me, and no one would know the secret till eternity.
Awotombe, you know I keep secrets more confidential than you know. Anyways, just for your assistance, okay?
I'm glad. I'm happy. You are welcome. Let's go and perform the purification before the end.
Okay.
Let's go.
Alright, I'll see you later.
Hebe mani krodi. Ya pole moka kamino. Hey. Okriki kana bu koja. Mata ban na yogo. Ogo da sache yana. Ai, onye meta mbozo, onye meta njose. Atabo wadide. Hey. Oh. Ako tromba ya tra okokwe. Ai. Abia dije. Voilà. Hey. Oh.
kosara Chineke mo bịanyere maka
Nne mo ebe gị nọ Nna mo ebe kunu nọ Afụfụ wepụ mo onye ka m ga-akọtara Nne mo afụfụ wepụ mo
Nne mo ebe gị nọ Nna mo ebe kunu nọ Afụfụ wepụ mo
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! God, Samaland! God, Samaland! Why did you let this befall me? You know that I am innocent of this accusation. God, Samaland! This land shall know no peace. May the goddess of Rivalry avenge my blood on the land of Maltreated. Avenge my blood! Avenge my blood! Avenge my blood!
That's the genesis of this program. The goddess of Ngene is avenging the wasting of the innocent blood of Ononye.
So that was how it happened. I knew it. I knew it deep down in my heart that Nonye did not commit that crime. But there was nothing I could do. As for you, Odioko and Lolo. Odioko and Lolo, you deserve what came after you. And I shall not cry over you. I will not weep over you.
As for two of them,
yes, Westwood,
their bodies will not be buried. They will be thrown into the evil forest where wild birds and ants can feed on them. No burial will be organized for them. That's the mind of the gods.
Well, very well, wise one. But now that we have known what this curse is, what may we do? What may we do to appease the goddess of Ngene and avert any further calamity in our land? Yes. What do we do?
Your Highness, your daughters have been chosen to dance before the goddess of Ngene and bring back the cleansing staff.
All they have to do is dance.
That's all.
It is done. It is done. It is done. Well, we know what to do. We know what to do. Your Highness, I was thinking that, yes, son, what are you thinking about? We all know that this task is not for the men, but for the women. What if they are free to embark on such journey?
They are our children. We'll find a way of convincing them.
As a matter of fact, I don't think we should worry about that now. When we get to that bridge, we'll cross it.
Your Highness, I think we should rest so as to gather strength.
That's exactly what I'm going to do. Right. Just so tired. I am weak.
We're almost there.
And that's how it's happened, my daughters. Your mothers are the reason why Nonye cursed this land. Now, as for them, their corpses will be taken to the Igwe forest tomorrow.
Father, is their death not enough punishment for them?
Well, we are only working and doing things by the directives of the gods. We dare not challenge them.
That is too bad. So, Father, you said you were going to explain something about the destiny of this kingdom that depends on us.
Yes. You will each lead a dance troupe that will appease Ngene in order for him to release the staff which wish to cleanse this land of this terrible curse.
Father, can't you see they want both of us to go there and die? Can't one person embark on this journey?
No, my dear. Your mothers are both involved in the cause for this, so you both must be there.
Father, I'm not going anywhere.
Why not? Amaka, are you happy with the way the things are going so terribly in this land?
Father, it's not as if I am happy, no. But at least one person should embark on this journey. Princess Ugoma should go. After all, she is the first daughter of this kingdom, as you people say. It's not only when it's time to share goodies that she would portray her superiority and supremacy.
Princess Amaka.
Yes, Father.
Now how do you speak of your sister like that?
Oh, Dad, please. Father, just leave her. If she doesn't want to go, I will go.
See, it doesn't work that way. It doesn't work that way. Your mothers are both involved in the reason for this, so you both must be there.
On one condition.
Which is?
Whoever brings back the cleansing staff becomes the sole recipient of the inheritance. Well, so be it. Makes it a lot more easier. Yeah.
Ugoma, how could you agree to such arrangement?
Father, if it's what it takes to cure the people of Amokwe from this generational curse, by putting my position and privileges at stake, so be it.
Oh, God of my ancestors.
Father, would that be all?
Yes, Princess Amaka.
Thank you. Ijoma, you are not just my maid, but my closest friend. I know that already, my princess. I want to ask you a question. About what? Ijoma, can I trust you? My princess, you can. I have been with you all these years and you know me so well. I'm sorry if I may ask. Is there any problem? The position of the true princess is vacant. And you know what that means. Yes, my princess. If I finally become the princess of this land, your life and that of your entire family will change for good. Thank you, my princess. You will not only see wealth, but experience affluence. Thank you very much, my princess. You will become my second in command. If only you remain loyal to me. My princess, is there anything you want me to do? Just tell me and I will do it. The die is cast between Ugoma and I. All I want is your undying support. My princess, you can count on me. I give you my words. Very well then. I want you to convince all the young girls in this village, especially those who knows how to sing and dance, to join our group. I will do that, my princess. That's the spirit. Don't let anyone hear of this discussion. My princess, I swear with my life, I will never tell anyone about this. You swear? Yes, my princess. I do. You swear? So be it.
Ego, what is it that you want to talk about that you can't talk about it in the open?
My princess, haven't you noticed the way Princess Amaka and Ijoma are going about because of this tax? Assembling good dancers and singers.
What has that got to do with me?
My princess, she's doing everything possible to become the true princess.
I don't care. Listen, if her being the true princess is ordained by the gods, so be it.
My princess, don't tell me that you're not interested of being the true princess.
Don't you want to be the one that will appease the gods of Ngene and bring the cleansing staff? So, what do you want me to do? My princess, just give me the approval to organize beautiful singers and dancers from this village. Nice ones. Ada, my friend, Princess Ugoma is counting on you after the discussion you had with her.
I know. You know, my love for Princess Ugoma will not allow me to disappoint her.
Don't forget to inform others, okay?
Oh, I won't. I'll be going now. Later now.
Ada. Before I forget, our rehearsal is starting next tomorrow.
Oh, I'll be there on time, and you know we are not just doing this for the princess, but for the entire village. So
thanks for understanding, okay?
No problem. Let me run along now.
Alright.
We'll see you next tomorrow, right?
See you next tomorrow. Bye.
I will not allow our daughter to participate in that dance. She will not go there.
Why?
Nai, she is my only daughter. I will not sit here and fold my hands and allow my only child to be used as a bait to solve crisis we did not commit.
Ekema, those other girls that are going for the dance, are they not other people's daughters and children?
Oh, yes they are. But definitely not their only child. Not their only child. Now you have forgotten how we suffered before we gave birth to this girl. Eh? You have suddenly forgotten.
Ekema, she will go, but she will not die. She's not going to die. She will go.
Mama, I really don't know what you're talking about. I'm only going to dance with my friends. See, Mama, I've made up my mind. I'm not going to chicken out now.
My daughter. Obi, my daughter. Don't listen to this rubbish your father is saying. Look, my daughter, the journey is too dangerous.
Yeah.
Obi, the journey is too dangerous. Do you want to die?
I am not going to die, Mama.
Hey, I don't know.
Mama, I am the daughter of a tiger. Tigers and tigresses are not afraid of war.
You can say that again.
Mama, I'll go with them and come back alive. I've made up my mind.
Hobby?
So it is.
Hobby? Hey!
With my staff, you know, I just do it like this, okay. Do it like this, do it like this, Yeah, that's a good one. You know? A good one, my friend. Yeah? Yeah. We're going to get it. Yes. Don't worry, we'll get it. I'm going to drill my father. That's a good one. Yes, that's a good one.
I called you out of concern. I need to know how far you have gone with your arrangement with your various dance troops.
Thank you, Father, for your concern. My dance group is doing very well, and I can assure you that they will not disappoint you.
Good, good. Princess Amaka, how about your dance group?
Well, Father, since she says her group is doing well, mine is doing well too. I trust in their different abilities to deliver.
I need not remind you that time is not on our side. And I am praying for you.
Yes, Father. I can also assure you that will be done in 4 days.
Good. That's good news. That's good news.
So, Father, please can we now go and rest?
Yes, Princess Amaka. You may go to sleep now.
Good night.
What bothers you, my princess?
There is a problem, Ijoma.
A problem? What's the problem, my princess?
When we had a meeting with the Igwe yesterday, Uloma sounded so confident with her dance group and their ability. Is there something they have that we don't have?
My princess, please don't let that bother you, because we have the best song and dance group in this village.
Ijoma, I don't want to take chances. I want you to spy on that dance group. If there is anything they have that we don't have, we must know.
Consider it done, my princess.
I must be the true princess of this land. No one will stop that.
You are already my princess. Don't let that bother you.
Wow. I'm out for rehearsals.
Which rehearsals? Obi, you are not going for any rehearsals today. If you insist on joining Princess Ugoma's group, you are not going for any rehearsals.
Why must you do that, Mama?
My daughter, can't you read the handwriting on the wall? Eh? Nothing good comes out from that group. Nothing.
But that's the group I like, Mama. Now we dance with them.
Well, whether you like it or not, you must join Princess Amaka's group.
Hey.
I mean, I saw my fellow women that their daughters dance with Princess Amaka's group, flaunting rappers and jewelries all over the place. Don't you want me to enjoy same?
Hey! Mama, if that's your reason for all this, count me out. I'm up for rehearsals.
Yeah? Obi, you will go and meet me here. Mwojo! Go and meet me here.
Yeah, you're enjoying it.
You can say that again. I feel life is all about enjoyment.
Please, can I have some of your goodies?
That's not possible though.
Why?
My dear, you belong to a different dance group. And I belong to a different dance group. Or many people enjoy staying in your group.
Not at all. Although Princess Ugoma do give us some goodies at times, but she always preaches about patriotism.
Oh, being patriotic will put food in your stomach. Before I can come and join us. In fact, I have joined. Are you sure?
Can I have some of the ice cream?
Take this one. Easy. 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 Take it easy. You can have the ice cream. My group is the best. Any day, anytime. My group. I really enjoy.
One of the guards told me that Uloma did not sleep in the palace yesterday.
So, where did she sleep then?
That is not my business. I am suspecting that their group is in disarray. That alone is affecting Uloma.
That means we're on top of the game.
By the time I finish unleashing all the plans I have for that group, they will be in shambles.
My princess, what do you intend doing again?
You just watch. Watch and see.
I trust you, my princess.
You can now go.
Thank you, my princess. Agwai.
Ebuka, thank you so much for coming as promised.
Princess, thank you.
Well, the girls are waiting. Can we go now?
Yes.
Greetings, my princess.
Has she gone?
Yes, my princess. She just left now with Igwe.
I want a favor from both of you.
What favor, my princess? Just say it, and it's done.
Both of you are the only people I trust in this palace. Lots of packages await the both of you. If only you remain loyal to me.
We are very loyal, my princess.
Very well. I want both of you to go to where they're having their rehearsals and cause confusion. Can I have that?
Consider it done, my princess.
I want it to happen tonight.
We will do just that, my princess.
Okay. You can now go.
Thank you. Thank you, my princess. I know I will see you here, since you intend to address the youth as their president.
This one you're looking for me, I hope all is well. Or did Princess send it to me?
Actually, there's no problem. She did not send me to you. But there's something I want to tell you.
So, what is it?
What I'm about to tell you, do keep it as a secret. And do not allow the princess to feel bad about it.
So, what is it?
Tell Princess Uloma to be very, very careful. Because Princess Amaka paid us to stay confusion at a rehearsal venue tonight.
What?
Why would she do a thing like that?
I don't know. And I cannot say what I don't know. Besides, I'm leaving.
Okay. All the same, thanks. Thanks. Oh no, that's exactly how it is.
Your Highness.
Yes.
How are your daughters preparing for this trip? You know, Yorimile is expecting us in the next 1 week.
You're quite correct. They should be ready in another 2 days.
Your Highness, are you sure? Are you sure of that?
I am sure, no. In 2 days, they'll be ready.
That's all right, if you say so.
Yes, yes. Now, all you have to do is make sure every quarter in this community is well briefed of the happenings.
Your Highness, that I will do.
Good, good.
So how did it go yesterday?
My princess, we got there and we couldn't find them.
What do you mean?
He's right, my princess. When we got there, we couldn't find them. They left or probably changed another venue.
What? You must find them.
We'll monitor them today until we locate their new venue.
Whatever you want to do, do that fast. Because there is no time. I'm running out of time here.
Yes, yes, princess.
Please don't. Go back to your duty.
Thank you, my princess.
My princess, what happened? Why is your face like this? They couldn't find them.
In that their new place? What happened? How come?
I don't know. That's what they told me.
And you believe them? Don't you think one of them must have betrayed us?
Betrayed us?
Yes.
They are our chief informants in this palace. And I show them enough appreciation to the best of my knowledge. So, how could they have betrayed us?
So, how did they got to know about our new plan and escaped? How come?
Honestly, I don't know. I don't even know what to think again. You know what, let's just go in and get dressed. We have to leave today. There's no time.
Okay.
Thank you very much, Ibuka. Your encouragement has been very wonderful.
I am forever indebted to you.
I am honored, my princess.
Well, I should be on my way now.
My princess, may the God grant you the wisdom and strength to overcome.
My daughter, are you sure you want to embark on this journey?
Yes, Mama. Hey, I've told you my heart desire is to be counted among those who use their skills in song and dance to salvage this community.
My child, it's not as easy as you think. I don't want anything to happen to you. Have you forgotten you're all that I've got?
Mama, nothing is going to happen to me. I'll be fine.
Oh my God.
Why are you trying to discourage her? Huh? Allow her to go. She will go and come back. Don't you know that she's courageous, like myself? And she also has a heart like a lioness. She will go and come back.
Mama. Mama, please. I have to go now. Okay?
Hey!
Take good care of yourself for me.
Chimo
Take care of Papa.
Obi.
Okay? Papa, please.
take care of Mama.
Okay.
Mother, it's true that they took and abandoned you in the evil forest. I know you can hear me wherever you are. My biography cannot be complete without you because you single-handedly placed me where I am today. I am so grateful to you. I am embarking on this journey because of the encouragement you gave to me when you were alive. I am doing it to please your spirit. Though you are dead, but your spirit still whispers to my ears to be the woman you want me to be. Let your spirit guide me as I compete with Uloma.
I can see the preparation is at its peak. And I'm very sure that through the leadership of my daughters, Princess Goma and Princess Amaka, the cleansing staff shall return to this village. And it shall be through the result of this that we shall know the sole recipient of the inheritance of my royal kingdom. And whosoever returns among the two daughters victorious shall appoint a man of her choice for a husband. And this man shall become the heir apparent to my throne, as we now have no so apparent to the throne here. May the gods go with you. We are aware of the stress you have been through in preparing for this very important journey. We shall be here. We shall wait for you here and wait for your return. May the gods of our land go with you. May you return victorious. Meanwhile, before you go to the goddess of Ngene, Ono here will take you to the shrine of the great Omiri for further cleansing and purification. We shall wait here for your return.
Princesses, we have to start going. The journey is too far. Let's go. This is the march a vehicle can go. The rest of the journey will be done on foot. Let's go. This is Orimiri Shrine, the place we have trekked and desired to see all this while.
This is indeed a far journey. So this is where all of you came to find a cause and solution of the problem.
Orimiri is the greatest Dibia of our time. He dines and wines with the spirits.
Okay, fine. Let's go.
Come here, come back here. He cannot see anybody without being permitted. We are going to stay here until he comes out.
Maidens of Amokwe, welcome, 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 welcome to Rivalry Shrine. Welcome, welcome. 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 Come. Come in. Come. 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 Ladies of Amokwe, you are welcome to Orimiri Shrine. I am Odomagana, Ndidi Kokodegu, Upaka na Wanu Dumiri, or to pledge wine a bed here. Udumina de baby. E guadro, Jeben Ebe Masilunu, Unwe Merunu, Unemeka Malo. Jeben, Hobum, Hobum. I know you came from a very, very far place. I will begin purification in the night. So you can choose any of the shades here and relax and rest. You are welcome to the shrine again. Welcome.
Thank you, Wise One.
Thank you.
Thank you, Wise One.
Thank you.
Let's go there.
Wako Simiratunu Ubum Eja Chacha Ojin Kata Chumiri Eja Chacha Obanki Chokujurano Brave and beautiful daughters of Amokwe, you have been prepared to go and seek the cleansing staff from the goddess of Ngene. The cleansing staff is the staff of life that will destroy the generational curse in the land of Amokwe. It will restore peace, happiness, and progress in the town. There are rules and regulations that will take you to the jungle. Forward ever, backward never. Obey your group leaders. No permanent friends, no permanent enemies in the jungle. Love one another. So follow me as we go. Let's go. Let's go. Woo!
Ada, follow the woman.
These two paths will take you to the river. You, take here. You, take it.
Everybody
rest here. My princess, do you think we are close to the mission? Please give me water to drink. The water is finished. The gun is not.
Princess Amaka, our water is finished. What do we do?
I'm thirsty. Princess, I just hope we are close.
Let's rest here.
I'm fine. We're still very far.
That place looks so dangerous. Please.
Oh my God, are we going to survive from this journey? Come, let's run, let's run!
Come here.
My princess, please no. My princess, she's not real.
Don't go.
She's not real, my princess.
Come here.
My princess. Hey, my princess, please. My princess, don't go. My princess.
That road you're taking will not take you to your destination. I know that you're not my mother, but I beg you,
Please, lead me to the right path. To the river of Ungene. I beg you.
Take this road to Ungene River and you'll be safe.
Thank you so much. I'm so grateful. Thank you.
Come, let's go.
This place is airy.
Yeah, my princess. I feel like resting here all day.
Exactly. The environment is so natural and I like it. Yeah, but we have to be very fast before Princess Uloma and her group gets there before us.
Where do you think you are going?
Your Majesty, Mother. What are you doing here? We are suffering because of you. Because of all the atrocities you people committed.
Do you think you have what it takes to overcome in this journey?
Oh, please, Mother. Just take us to the river of Ungene and stop asking me stupid questions. What's that supposed to mean?
For you to have spoken to me in this manner, I will not allow you to go.
You will not allow me to go? Then who are you to tell me you will not allow me to go?
We are here because of all the atrocities you committed in the village. And you are here telling me you will not allow us to go. Who are you? Please, let's go, girls. Let's go.
I think without you, we're not making the way.
Who are you? Please.
Hello, sweet and pretty damsels of Amokwe.
Ebuka!
My love.
What are you doing here? My princess, that is not Ebuka. That is a spirit. Yes. My princess, are you blind? Are you blind? My princess, this is Ebuka in flesh and blood. Hey. Oh, no.
My love. Please come. I promise you life.
No! Abi! My princess, please. That is not Ebuka. Yes. That is not Ebuka, my princess. Have you forgotten the third rule? In the jungle or battlefield, no permanent friend, no permanent enemy. No. No, my princess. No. Please. Please. Please, princess, please. Yes.
Please. Only common interest and purpose. There is no sentiment.
My princess, this thing you're seeing as Ebuka is not Ebuka, but an enemy.
Yes,
yes, please. My princess. You must not go, my princess. Can't you understand? Please, please, please.
Please, for the sake of our love, don't ignore me, please. Come to me.
He's lying. My princess is lying. Please, he's lying, my princess. My princess, please don't go. Hey, hey. Don't
do this. Please.
I now know that you're not Ebuka. But I beg you, please, show us the right path. I beg you, please.
For the sake of our love, this is not the right path. But here leads to Ngene River.
Thank you very much. I am so grateful. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
May the gods of your forefathers grant you success.
Are we tired?
Yes.
Are we tired?
Yes,
my princess. We'll rest here.
Thank you, my princess.
My princess, I am getting scared. Why? Can't you see that our numbers are decreasing day by day? I'm scared I don't even know who is going to be the next victim. There is no need to be afraid. From the air I inhale, I have a feeling that we are close to the river of death. So we have to rest and we forge ahead. Okay?
You're my princess.
Hey, stop there. Who are you and where are you going to? And who the hell are you? Are you blind? Don't you recognize me? Can't you see how I'm dressed? What's so special about your dress? What? I am a princess. And from the look of things, you are just a common slave sent on an errand by a king, a queen, or a princess like me. Isn't it?
Princess my foot.
What? I said stop there! By the way, where is the river of Ngene? Answer me or I break you this minute!
Yes. She'll break you and there's nothing you can do about it.
Yes. I can see that you people want my trouble and I won't resist giving it to you people.
What? Just slaughter you.
You! Strike her! This minute!
come any closer.
And why do you say that? Why do you think we're afraid of you? No! Don't fight him. My princess said don't fight him.
If you're not afraid of me, cross this line.
Stop! Don't fight him! Don't! Please. I beg you. We don't want trouble. We already have so much problems already. I beg you. Please, just allow us cross over. Okay? We want to go and dance and sing for the goddess of Ngene. So she can give us the cleansing staff that can cleanse our family and generation from a generational curse. I beg you, please.
Is that so?
Yes, it is.
Do you have the 4 eggs?
Yes, I have it.
Good. When you get to Ngene River, drop them at the bank of the river. Those 4 eggs signifies the 4 market days. Which means if anyone who comes in peace will as well go back in peace. If those eggs disappear, start your song and your dance. The goddess is listening.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Grateful. Thank you. Let's go.
Princess, I think you should mind the way you talk to those who meet on the road, though.
She's right. I think those are the people that will help us to get to where we are going to. But if you continue talking to them in that manner, I'm not sure we'll get to the river of Ngene.
I've heard. Let's go. The journey is still far.
Are you still going to river of Ngene?
Huh? Yes. Yes, we are. Please, where is it?
Go down. He's there.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Let's go. Let's go.
Which way?
That way.
Okay. Oh!
I can see you come from far.
Yes, wife. We have come all the way from Amokwe village. We have come to sing and dance for the goddess of Ngene. Wise one, so as to receive the cleansing staff of life. I want to save the lives of our people, so as to become the true princess of Amokwe village.
It's not necessary. I am the goddess of the Ngene.
Wise one, what do you mean that won't be necessary? That is the reason why we have come. Yes.
The other group has collected the cleansing staff.
What?
Yes. And I crown her the real princess. And nobody will stop it.
Wait, so you mean she came here and she collected the cleansing staff? She collected everything? Wait, so seriously, you don't understand why we are here. We have gone through terrible things before we got here. Wait, so please. You can't just give her everything. You mean she came here and she took everything? My son, please. We need something. Anything. My son, I have lost so many girls before I got here. I cannot go empty-handed. No. No, wise one, no.
Please, wise one. Please. That is nothing for you. Go home. Go. Are you still here? Why did you refuse to go?
Wise one, we cannot go empty-handed. We have gone through so much before we got here. Please.
If you are insisting, I will give you what you meant for stubbornness.
My daughter, where's the staff? Please, princess, please tell me you have the cleansing staff.
You didn't get it.
You couldn't get it. Then why all these injuries?
Highness, you should be happy that we came back with our lives. We lost all the girls in this journey, Your Highness.
Oh, God.
We couldn't get the stuff, Your Highness.
Orimiri, speak. What do we do? Orimiri, speak! Is this the end? Speak!
The bright sky means that all is well. Even the gods are happy.
How can the gods be happy when we don't have this? How can the gods be happy? Orimiri. Welcome! Welcome, my daughters!
Welcome, my daughter. Welcome, my daughter.
Welcome, my daughter.
The cleansing now starts. We all go for the cleansing as everyone is waiting for all of you.
Welcome, Ona. Welcome, Ona. Welcome, Ona.
Father.
Yes, my daughter.
For our children to marry.
Use your heart desire. May the gods bless you, my daughter. I give my blessings today. Your union shall produce prosperity. You shall provide me an heir to this throne. Your blessed. Igwe. Shall we be rejoicing in my palace today? Shall we be merriment in my kingdom today? Yes. Music!